This is a big money frenzy. One of the largest banks in the United States, Sofi Bank, is giving away money. And it's 100% legal, and it comes in a form of a direct deposit that can arrive as soon as 10 minutes from now. And you're trying to tell me that you're not taking the opportunity to pad your pockets with legal free money in the highest inflated economy that we've seen in mankind? Now, either you crazy or you just don't understand. Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you why you definitely need to take advantage of the Sofi Money in Minutes program. And some of you might say, well, I make $100,000 a year. I don't need any free money. Well, if you can count your money, you ain't making enough. I make $1 million a year, and I took advantage of this. Some of you might say, well, it's a scam. Really? So the largest bank in the United States, when it comes down to new accounts, is really going to scam an FDIC lender. In this video, I'm going to show you how you're literally throwing away 10 grand by not taking advantage of this opportunity. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's your man, Melvin, AKA Dr. Money. And if you're not familiar with my YouTube channel, what I like to do is I love to expose opportunities that will put more money in your pocket. So if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because I will be showing you more and more unique ways to take advantage of either some free money or low-cost opportunities that bring you big money. And today, we're going to be going over the Sofi banking opportunity. And some people just really don't believe it. And what I actually want to do is I actually want to bust and destroy a few myths about Sofi Bank that simply aren't true. Also, I want to show you some dead solid proof that this opportunity is giving people a chance to have multiple deposits in their bank account. And we have some people that have made $650 in an hour and is ready and available for them to spend. You can't beat an opportunity like this. So we're going to dive into a presentation and everything, but also I'm going to kind of foreshadow the reason why Sofi Bank is very, very important to me and my goal. Let me share my goal with you. My goal, and this will happen, is I'm going to have at least 10 or more people make $250,000 this year. And I'm going to show you why Sofi Bank is so important to that role. So before I get into Sofi Bank, let me show you what my plans are to help as many people as possible hit their first six figures. Now, here's my never before seen blueprint to six figures in 2024. I firmly believe if you're going to build anything, you need a blueprint, and you should be building in phases. My goal is to help people establish multiple streams of income so that you never have to worry about anything going dry, because you're going to always have your income built in layers. So this way, if something happens, you have money to replace it. The first phase is the Sofi banking opportunity. I've been showing people how to get up to a free $300 to $10,000 per household with this opportunity. That is phase one. That is active right now. I'm going to show you how you can participate. Phase two is going to be awesome, because literally, if you've made money in phase one, then you have a profit. You're playing with house money. Phase two literally is a new program that turns your expenses into profit. You can literally take $10 and turn it into $9,497 in residual income. This will be a first come, first serve opportunity. You will be able to earn residual income from people you've never met in your life. I love how this is compensating a lot of people. And again, it's only $10, but if we made you money in phase one, it's not going to cost you anything. Phase two literally is a way to earn easy passive income by leasing digital real estate. 2.3 billion people are looking for this service and will gladly buy it from you with a smile. You can turn another $10 into $11,350 in monthly income. And my end goal literally is to have you guys be able to have $250,000 in potential earnings on a residual basis. Would $250,000 help you guys? We have a blueprint for all of this, and these launches will be coming this year. Phase 2 is coming up in the next 7 days. Don't worry, I will announce it. So we're going to make this your income in 2024, or at least that's our goal. So that is why SoFi is so great, because it's going to give you free money to start with these low cost to high reward programs. So now you've seen the entire blueprint that we're going to use to help people like you be able to earn an extraordinary income. And literally, the reason why SoFi is important is because phase 1 is active for you right now. If you're in the US or Canada, you can participate. And this program I nicknamed called Money in Minutes, sponsored by Sofi Bank. And it's 3 simple steps. You download the app, you create a free account, and you can receive your deposit literally within minutes. And I have a website below. So there's a link below that shows you how to get started. And some of you will get a deposit in your bank account in as little as 10 minutes. I even show you how couples, husband and wife, partners, can get over $700 out of this program extremely quick. And we show you how you can get a maximum of $10,000 per person in your household out of this program. So that is something you want to see. Again, click the link below to get started with that. Phase 1 is now active. Now, what I do want to show you is I want to show you people who have literally started phase 1 and they've started to receive money literally in minutes. I want to share some testimonials with you that I've received in doing my lives. And this is real people happening to them, and they were blown away. Check this out. Now, I want to share with you a conversation I had with Mrs. Annette Alexander. And she says here, "Hey, Melvin, just got off your live, signed up with your link, got my $25 just like that. Wow, this is incredible." I sent her to a group and she said, "Got it, thanks." And she actually wanted to put together a cool little system to help do this on autopilot. And she asked me for a thumbnail to help her literally create her funnel for this. And she was able to do it. And then she said, "I made another 75 today." That is amazing. So let's go through more testimonials. Here's a buddy of mine who made $1,000 in one day from this. And then here's another buddy who actually introduced this to me. And literally, he was just banking the $75 referral bonus. Now remember, every time someone got 25, he got 75. And you could even make 100 on some of the other things that they do once they open up their free account. So you see him scrolling. This is literally why I got started, because I knew I could help so many people. Now we have people that I literally helped once I got started. My buddy Javon here was able to make 150 that same night. Sent me a text message and screenshot, and it was so good to see people just making money. Also, on my live, people were literally just telling me how they got their money. Literally, Tina Buck says she received hers. My man right here says, "Praise God, I just made my first $75 referral." Then this person said, "I did it wrong and still got mine." And then amazing, my man C.Y. Tongi received a message earlier from someone who was able to pay their car note thanks to this opportunity. Also, again, guy Pat Sensei says, "Got my 25 yesterday. My wife is going to get in when her debit cards arrive from local bank." Then we have another gentleman named David who made 400 already. Reggie Williams made 75 sitting in his office. Javon said, "I got started on Tuesday and he's made $300 just by sharing this information," meaning he's helped other people get free money. My good friend Whitney Wheeler, who is a major influencer, she said, "The hype is real, been making money all day." Also, more testimonials. Again, there's the 150 from Javon earlier. We saw that. Then there's my good buddy Chauncey who made 25. He's forwarding his link now. Then there's my good friend Ralph. He said, "I followed what you said, made over $400 in 2 hours. Then we have, again, my buddy Ramon, who says, "Melvin, thank you for putting this out there. The holidays had me tapped out. This free $300 came in handy." He made $300. Also, just recently, another good buddy of mine named Trey literally said, "Melvin, I just signed up on your link. Bro, they gave me my 25 in 8 minutes. Can I use your video flyer?" So I literally said, "Hey, check your email for the marketing materials. That money comes in fast. Sign up your household too." If you look at this message came at 3:01. I responded at 3:06. By 4:42, which is literally an hour and 41 minutes later, he said, bro, 625 was made already. Your video is fire. I appreciate you. I will follow you anywhere. You are the real deal. This is why I love this program, and I can't wait for you guys to have your results so I can share them in my next video. Now, what I'm showing you right now is that I literally am an online marketer, so I build professional sales funnels that make everything come in on autopilot. So I literally have traffic that comes to a website, and this is a website you're going to see that explains everything. But I want to show you something. Between my wife and myself, we've literally made over $8,000. We have 110 total referrals. And I encourage you, if you're a person that is a social butterfly or you're a social media person, but maybe your partner or your spouse is not, and you're doing 2 accounts, then work both accounts. And literally I alternate these. And I wanted my wife to have more referrals than I did. So I put in a rotator in this funnel. So if you see this funnel, you'll click create your free account. And if you click it, you're going to see that it's going to have me. And then if you go back to it and the next person that clicks this again, it's going to show my wife. And the next 5 times it will show my wife. So for every 6 people that come through, 5 are going to my wife, 1 is going to me. Once I max her account out at about 10 grand, then I will put mine in to finish out. Now that we showed you that, this is how I'm actually getting my wife and myself referrals. I'm going to actually log into my account and show you proof of concept that this is indeed real. So I'm going to go here to Sofi here, and I'm going to log in just to show you. And literally, I've already had my login kind of saved in here. So this is my account, and they even give you money for logging in, folks. I love this bank. No fees, no overdraft fees, and I got $2.40 just for logging in. But as you see, my entire balance is $3,075. Now, if I scroll down here, we have 110 referrals. 70 referrals have gone to my wife, and 40 referrals have gone to myself. And I want to show you where I started at today. So I'm going to, well, not today, but when I first got started, I want to show you where I started back in December 31st. And I'm going to show you that all of January literally has been autopilot. So the only thing I put in this account was my initial $50. So I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom and show you everything, folks. So we started here on 12/31 right here. As you see, that was my deposit of $50. This is what you're going to start off doing when you go to my website below. Immediately after I did this via bank debit card, I received a money welcome bonus of $25. So then I said, wow, okay, this is awesome. So this is where I literally signed up my wife, and I got $75 for her. So we got $125 as a couple. After that, on January 1st, I literally just started referring people that I knew and sending out the referral links. And as you see, I have been getting paid ever since January, ever since 12/31/2023. So you're going to see these money referral bonuses is all the people that I have helped get a free $25 or more. And so as you scroll up, you're going to see January 1st, I did 3 referrals. The second, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, 8 referrals in 2 days. And you can just see my whole entire referral trail. Some days are heavier than others, but as you see, this bank has been literally paying me frequently. I've been averaging almost 75 to 150 a day. And yeah, there have been days where I didn't get a referral, but hey, who cares? There's 3 days right here. And literally on the 15th, there was another referral here. And as you see, they kept coming in and coming in. You'll see the balance going up. So again, we're going to start from a $50 balance. All of these are just referrals, and you can have this happen to you as well. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to help you. So as we scroll up and go through the entire month of January, we're going to catch ourselves up to the current day. You're going to see these referrals kept coming in, coming in, coming in, coming in. And yesterday I literally had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 referrals coming in. So $350 yesterday. And there may be more that come in today. And again, this is what I show you how to do. Now, how did I get all these referrals? Well, I have marketing materials here, and I have a private group that you will be a part of. And if you join me, you're going to get a link to this private group, and then you will be able to come in and literally use flyers. So I do have a training site here that has flyers. I'm going to go to it here and show you. And these are downloadable flyers that you can alter, and I will be adding more, and then I will be having more training. And my goal is to help people get as much out of this as possible. and then we can move to the next phase of our launch. So folks, I have literally shown you everything about SoFi. We busted some myths, and the only thing left for you to do now is, if you are ready to make 2024 the year that you get more, start off with some free money, join me in phase one, get a free $25, and then refer your family and you'll get $75 per referral. My website is linked below. Click on it. I will walk you through. You'll even get an email from me. And then once you've done this, then you can be part of my Money in Minutes team, and we can help you continue to get more and more referrals. So folks, thank you for watching. Hopefully this video helped break down SoFi, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side of success. Thank you so much. See you next video. Peace.